friends, it's Steffi and welcome to another video on my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do this purple monochromatic look. I did purple eyeshadow, dark purple lips, and purple highlight, if you could kind of see and tell. Don't know, but it's all purple everything. Before we get started, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at Steffi Bluebear. I use different products for this video. Like, I used Jeffree Star and Lime Crime products, so you don't need to have the same products that I do to do this look. If you do have similar colors, you can definitely use those colors for this look. So without further ado, let's just get started. So I already did my eyebrows and I prepared my eyes, so let's just get started with the eyes. So the first color you're going to want to take is like a pastel purpley color. I'm going to be using the color Gumdrop in the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette. So it looks like this. It's a really pretty pastel purple color, and you're just going to use that color. So you're going to take that color and just put that all over your crease. And now just blend that color out slightly by the edges. So now I'm going to be taking this color called Bite Me, which is like a shimmery dark purple color in the palette. And I'm going to be putting that in the outer V and a little bit of my crease on my eye. So like right here. And then once again, blend that together. I just finished doing my foundation and powder, so now I'm going to go back into the color Gumdrop, which is that pastel purple color. And I'm going to be putting that color on my lash line over here. Now I'm going to blend out that color. Now I'm going to take the color Virgin, which is like a kind of white tanny. It's like a creamy white color, and I'm going to be using that to highlight my brow bone. Now I'm taking the color Jawbreaker, which is like a very light goldy shimmery color right here, and I'm going to be putting that on the rest of my lash line as well as the inner corners to highlight. So now I'm going to be taking this Diamond Dew, it's like a Diamond Dew eyeshadow, like a liquid eyeshadow from Lime Crime in the color Holy Shift. And it looks like this. It's like a really shimmery purple color. And I'm going to be putting that on my eyelids to give it some sparkle. I would advise you to keep your eyelids like closed a little bit so it can dry. So now that the eyeshadow is dry, I'm going to be using the NYX matte liquid liner for doing my eyeliner. I don't know how close you guys want to be. And I just basically do my regular eyeliner routine. Now I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. Now I'm using the Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara, which looks like this, for my mascara. Next, I am using the Lime Crime Highlight Palette in the in Angels, and I'm gonna be using the color Celestial, which is this purple. If it like focuses, it's this like purple highlight, or like purple, yeah, color. It's a very, very purpley color. I'm also going to put some on my nose to highlight. And on my lips. It's a very purple highlight. I don't know if you could tell in the camera, but it's like a very bright purpley highlight. You can kind of see the purple on this side, but it's like a really nice purple color. So the very last thing I'm going to be using is this Lime Crime Unicorn lipstick color in the color Poisonberry. It's like a dark purple. And here is the final look. It's like a pastel eyeshadow with like a dark purple lip and some purple highlight. It's like a really nice, simple, glittery look that anyone could achieve. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, especially if you like purple and this was a way for you to do an all purple look. This is the video for you. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Comment down below, are you going to try out this look? I would really like to see the results. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. And until next time, bye.